These are 5 books I can recommend for drawing people. Drawing Anatomy, An Artist's Guide to the Human Figure by Barrington Barber. I've gone through many different human anatomy books over the years. It was hard to choose one to suggest. This one stood out to me for breaking down information into digestible chunks. The drawings are also clean and easy to understand over something like Bridgman's drawing from life, which I found scribbly. Force by Michael Matesi. It has been a few years since I read this book. I remember it really helping me learn how to add flow to my poses. Anatomy will help you draw people that look correct, while this book will help you understand where to exaggerate and stretch figures to help bring drawings to life. Facial Expressions by Mark Simon. It can be nice to have offline drawing references for those days when you want to disconnect for a while. This book is a vast gallery of faces organized by age. Need multiple facial angles for drawing practice? This book has you covered. It also includes a variety of expressions. I've enjoyed using this book for practicing caricatures and gain ideas when drawing characters. Comic Artist Poses by Buddy Scalera. Similarly to the last book, it can be nice to have offline references for drawing. This was a gem I stumbled across that I really enjoy using for drawing full body poses. If you ignore that the poses can be a bit cliche, I think it is fun for drawing practice. And I like that they included different angles if you want different perspectives. What People Wore When by Melissa Levington. Since I'm not well versed in history, I cannot say if this book is accurate or not. I was trying to find a book that cataloged historical clothing and stumbled across this one. It starts as early as 3000 BCE all the way to 1800 CE. The images are more like rough symbolic diagrams rather than realistic renderings of costumes. I really liked it for getting costume ideas for drawing fantasy or historical fiction characters. I have included links to the books in the description below. Disclaimer. To avoid being flagged by YouTube, I have attempted to flip past the nudity in these books. Boobies. It was hard to choose. Oh, this is not natural sounding. Over the years, I've gone through different